Ikaro kwa rodreiga kione kimenyererio kia manganare asechi gosori na niko togo chakaiga ebiminano bibere bya ligi ya FKF nigo bya gosori gwarero abwase Bidco bagosoria na Bandari Tusker bagosoria na FC Leopards na byonsi byagenda makali yogotanyonsania kurende amaiso yabange nigaroche ankyo ase Shabana FC barayareganie Gor Mahia chinsa isano na isato asegeti kia Gusii oikabono nigo Gor Mahia bare aselibaga lia gatatu ekero Shabana bara aselibaga lia kane muriketo kefa nengobosire nigakwerere merobero ya Kogalo abuba soira se county ya Gusii osio wekeminanikyo
Oyo kubyane kiminano bibere ritukorera selegi ya FKF nigo ankiminano bitatu biragosorigwa sebiti ao abwasekemeka bokigmake kanyerere kati ya Shabana abo barachigutitora namo na Gor Mahia asegete kya Gusii Stadium chinsesano na sato asekemeneke gankamanyekene buna Nyanza dabe nigo eklabu ya Kogalo ekirasire bagari gatatu pointe yemo bosyo wa Shabana barengete chokora kigma eri gutigara sembero yokobumyo kyobunyangongo bwa KPL sinisamhesh nigaro mwegerwe
We'll find the best thing, you know. Already I know how they play. I already watched them. I know how they play, and even they don't know how they play. They shoot ball from everywhere, and then what's happened? Yes, I saw many goals. They shoot from everywhere, even from the 40-meter, and maybe some rebound ball, and they force. But we have the solution how to absorb this and how to make them calm, you know.
Nengana boygo yatingiwa hamona bagosubwe club ya Kogalo anene mo goalkeeper Gary Matthews oyo otebrengani tunde ya entangani kingamango chokosura segete kya Gusii Stadium na igo kwerere meroberi yaye asiri tukuriankyo.
It's going to be an entertaining match simply because both teams have had good outings in the weekend, so we expect a good match this coming Sunday. But for us, we are going to it with a different motive and a different aim. We are going for a win, actually. We are not going for anything less than 3 points. So we have to fight for it. We have no pressure completely. It's familiar with us, actually, having that crowd. Now that is where you will see where Mahia comes in. So we definitely feel at home in that crowd. Yeah, it's our first time playing at Gusii. But I can say it's not a new environment as such, because it's going to be quite entertaining. That's what I can say.
Kereke minene kiga kyaro kane gutwara umunguso munene hanamara uchaze nsemo ya batiotereria niguburai we klabu ya Shabana basabira batioterere gocha wesoke na weka mapema asobonge entune ntangani ninge klabu ya Gor Mahia na Shabana bachita makariyo konyosani guriyemo aseyemo.
Sisi kwetu it's a normal game na hiyo ni on the side of my fans, because to me I feel to me kwangu una feel more pressure playing the derby instead of the Gusii. Wanasema about the Gusii derby. Mi kwangu I feel the Mashemeji derby is more iko na pressure mob na it's something that fans wetu wanacherish sana kuliko the Nyanza derby. Simanishi that we are not going to push ourselves against Shabana, but I think in game 2 fans wameongea sana, that's why it's inakaa huge. But in real sense, it's just a game like any other.
Ega team na binde bila kusura wankyoni kwa Kakamega Homeboys bara kusura Posta Rangers Marashuga babariganie Ulinzi Stars. Kefa Nengobosire Etaya TV.